Today I'm here with House Beautiful to show you my ideas for storing some of your trickiest items: kids' toys, books, clothing, and vinyl records. Let's go! We've taken out all of these toys, so now it's time to take this toy storage from untidy to amazing. When you are organizing children's toys, it's very important to make it easy for them to see what's inside. This kid is an artist, so this entire side is dedicated to all of his art supplies. We've got up here art sets that aren't being used, and so I've stored them way up high so that when he's ready for them, they're here, but he doesn't need to access them every day. Easy access, very important when you're organizing for kids. These containers are fantastic for holding toys, clothes, pretty much anything. And then down here, we've got the rest of his toys. Again, in these beautiful gray bins with the clear vinyl and a label. My client has figured out everything that sparks joy, and now it's time to put everything back into the closet. So here we go. First thing we did was categorize the shoes: flip-flops and slippers, sneakers, heels, and boots. And then we use these drop front shoe boxes. So not only are they transparent, so you can see everything, but they provide super easy access. Amazing. Velvet hangers are amazing. Not only are they minimal, so they take up less space in your closet than plastic or wooden hangers, but also they're uniform and beautiful. You can get them in any color. And then on this level, we've got sweaters in these incredible bins, bags here, and I've used an acrylic organizer with separators to hold her clutch bags, and then swimsuits. Now I'm going to show you how to organize one of the trickiest items: vinyl records. And as you can see, they're large, they're a bit bulky, and they can be really difficult. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this to make it really easy. Organizing records means categorizing, making sure that you've divided them by genre, by artist. First, this vinyl storage box. It comes in so many different colors, you can easily match it to your decor. And on the inside, there are these dividers. You can label them, however you like, by genre, by artist, and it makes it so easy to find anything you like. This is for display. So you can take the records that you love the most, the ones that are your most prized possessions, and display them in this way. And you can have it be this direction, or even turn it to be this direction. There are so many options with records. It's really fantastic. So when organizing books, you really want to think about what works best for you. You want to think about, do you want them to be decor for the space? Do you want to make it so that you can organize them by author if you're really interested in writers? As you can tell, they are in the colors of the rainbow, and it really does add a bit of decor to the space. The product that I use are these acrylic bookends. And the reason why I use these is because since I knew I was going to organize by color, I felt that the bookends would distract. And then on top of that, I added these sentimental pieces to go along with this. So you can actually use your books as decor and incorporate other items that spark joy. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to organize these tricky items. I've had a lot of fun showing you all of my organization tips. Hopefully you'll be inspired now to try some of this at home. Make sure you subscribe to House Beautiful, and thank you so much for watching.